Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is 2021 and there's still many people don't know how to share their files, their video and images on Google Drive. In this video I'm going to show you how to share your files and folders on Google Drive and share it with your friends who has a Google Drive or Google Gmail account or something like that. Okay, it is very easy and believe me, Google Drive is very reliable, and the uploading and downloading speed is very fast, and also it's offered 15 gigabyte of free storage. You can store up to 15 gigabyte on Google Drive. Okay, so remember, firstly you need to have a Google account. For example, here I create a Google account, a new one, so it's free, just create one for you. And if you want to access to Google Drive, you need to click on this one, Google Apps. There are many apps here. Click here, and then this is the guide that we want to double check and to click on this one, because we have all other stuff here. Google has many applications, but we are going to click on Drive. Okay, and click here. It is used for sharing files and folders, and also store your file and folder. Here we go. So this is the home page. So you can see here a place for all of your files. It's okay. You can also synchronize this folder with your computer. By the way, we are not going to do that here. We are going to click on this button. This is a plus button and new. Click here. When we click new, and we have an option to create a folder or upload a file, upload a folder, and also access to other Google application. But in this case we are going to click on folder. Okay, so we need to create a name, a folder, and we can create a name here, Jacky number 1, for example, and then we are going to click create. And now we have just create a folder. Now all you need to do is just open it. So as you can see here, you can drop files here, so you can drag your file, video or image or anything. So maybe just go to my folder, on a folder on my computer like this. I go to my channel, and then I have a footage here. I want to share this video on Google Drive. Okay, and this one and this one, so we can select three video and then just drag and drop it down here. So you see on the right side, it will upload it. It is uploading three video onto Google Drive. So 1, 2, the last one finished. So the uploading speed is very fast, right? Now I want to share this folder with other people. What should I do? I need to click here, and then we can click on this one, share, or you can just click on this one, get link. So that is how I normally do when I want to share with other people. Get links. Now you have the link here, and you can copy, but before doing that you need to change this one to anyone with the link. You can open this folder, you change it to here, and now you need to copy this link. Okay, and when it's done, you click done. Now you can share, copy and paste this link. For example, I go again to my Gmail account. So this one, no, I'm not going to use this one, I'm going to use this one. And again, I go to my Gmail account. Then I want to share this folder with you or with anyone. Okay, so I'm going to click on compose a new email, and I want to type my my email address, sorry. So this is share folder, and then I'm going to paste the link here, and I'm going to click send. So whenever my email receive this link, I can just click on this link and open the folder. For example, I can change to my video, my email here. To see the video that you receive, a link. So this is the share folder. So all I need to do is to click on it. It is share folder. So I can just click on this Google Drive link, and then I can open Google Drive here. So it's easy, right? So this is the first option. And another option, you can click here to go back to my drive. I need to close this one. Is to share. Click on open this folder again, and then you can click on this drop down menu again, and then you can click share. Now you can add people and group of people. Maybe this email, for example, I can add this to as an editor or viewer or commenter or something like that, and we can add as a viewer if we just want them to view the file, not edit the file. Okay, click as a viewer and hello, please view the file, and then we can click on send, and there we go, and it's shared to my email address. Here I can click here to see the email that I received from here. You click on Gmail again. Go to Gmail, and here is the invitation to view. So because we set this email as a viewer, hello, please view the file. Now we can click open to open the file. So that's easy, right? So that is how you can create a file and upload your file and create a folder and share your folder on Google Drive. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Goodbye and see you again. Bye.